I forgot what I was going to say. And we're back with the mini rig. So long as you come down below to do bike number 12, which was, you know which one it was?
Mini rig.
You gotta find it. I'll probably at the front.
I see.
Jesus, a lot of bikes. Oh yeah, there it is.
Tiny, stand next to it to get like a size. There's not much room, so it's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tiny.
But we'll bring it out to show them first. Oh, it's so small.
So now we got the mini rig here. We just got to decide on what we're doing and everything. So the basic game plan for this mini rig is to start with a black frame, take all the parts off and components. Black frame, then like add a bit of green. Then we got our old monster stickers. I don't know where they've gone. But that's basically the game plan for this bike. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And let's just get a little edit of us taking the parts off. And when we got all the parts off, we'll tell you what we're doing next. So let's go there right now. Me and Cohen is still working on this. We were just so busy this week we didn't get around to finishing it. And yeah, also you guys follow our Instagrams. I can't put it on the screen, but it's Braydan.Glover and Cohen.Sharksmith. We might be giving away these cool grips at 1K followers, so if you guys want to follow us, keep up to date with all the stuff, just hit our Instagrams, they'll be in the description, and just go check them out. Yeah. Alright, just a quick update right now. We're just sanding down the bike, getting it ready for painting. And we're going to try to take off some of the stickers, but yeah. Yeah, so we'll just get up until we're painting. Also, we're using our iPhone because I can't be bothered to.
Your fault, not mine.
Yeah. Spray painting time. Remember to wear your dust mask if you guys are spray painting. Okay, and let's just get into a little montage type thing.
You can edit?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. montage, but this is just a quick tip. If you guys are painting like a fluoro green over a black, remember to spray paint it white because it has a better finish. So,
Like you didn't do the first time.
yeah, don't bully us.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're also going to show you guys how to splatter paint. So, Captain Cohen can show us after this sick montage. P2. Let's go. Just wait for the paint to dry and we shake that up. We want to say thank you for 500,000 what is it called, total views, so thank you guys. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
This is either gonna turn out really good or really bad.
With the green spray paint on the shocks because it had 5 minutes to dry, so
Yeah.
eat.
It's all it needs.
So
So the easiest way is probably just a piece of cardboard. We use this one of the mask we're using right now is the cardboard that comes with it.
So how do you do it?
So I like to just bend it a bit,
Yeah, let's just get in. I'm gonna get in the sun. Like there we go.
just so the paint sits in the middle, not on the sides. So just give it a slight bend. Put the face mask back on for this. So spray it towards the end roughly. That should do.
And spray a lot.
Yeah, not too much though. You don't need that. And now the fun part. Try not to do too big of a clunk, but we want fairly big size.
And you want to be fast too.
Yeah, so don't let it dry too much. Try not to get too much in one spot though, and then you just...
I'm in the way, so. And it turns out really sick. Let's just get an editor of it. The most important thing, the monster stickers, wherever they have gone,
They're inside.
we gotta find them. So we've been looking for a while. We haven't found the monster stickers. Oh, he found them, yeah. Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Lucky bunny.
You've like
You know,
most of
because
them
it's
up already.
Easter. Yeah. We brought them just for this bike and we used almost like 3/4. So we're just gonna go place them on the bike now because the paint has dried. So yeah. Right now, like always, we're just gonna go build it and we're not gonna show you guys until it's done. So
Yeah.
next clip is either if something goes wrong or the bike. So yeah. So let's get hyped to next clip. Before we go show you guys this bike, next clip, we just want to give a shout out to one of my friends. His YouTube name is BeefADG03. His link will be in the description. Go check him out. He makes bike videos and stuff like that. Give him some support if you want to see more bike videos and possibly us in one of his videos. So go check him out right now. Link is in the description. Let's show you this next clip. Alright, the bike's done, isn't it? You ready to show them?
Where is it again?
It's just around the Sunday. Alright, you bring it in. Right into the bike right now. Tell us when we're ready to see it. I keep on forgetting not to pick bar back up.
Just don't pedal backwards.
Yeah, it's really weird. It's hard to get used to.
Nice.
This doctor, don't watch this.
Yeah, because you suck at riding. Oh, the back is very.
I know. Oh, the angle though. Hey, can we just show them the angle? Much, but look at the angle that this bike is at. Like when you're on it, it's kind of hard to tell. Like it's completely different when you're on it. But yeah, it just feels like this is a downhill bike. I don't know why. Yeah. Ooh, big skid from a big person.
I can't do much, but.
Alright, say the outro.
You say it.
Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Remember to follow our Instagram to win yourself a pair of Santa Cruz grips. I would show you right now, but I can't be bothered to get them. But yeah, and follow my friend Beef ADG. He'll be in the link in the description. Check all them. And other than that, we're gone.